Welcome, welcome everybody. I'm in the US. Oh, see, I was right like that. I'm in the US. I know a lot of my team is in the US as well, but we're kind of all over the place. So I like to brag that I have a team member in every continent with the exception of 2, I think, at this point. So we're all over the place. All right, so let's get started. I don't have too much content today. So I really hope you guys have some questions or other things you want to chat through. Let's see. So today's the 18th. Happy Monday. I love these pictures of everybody in their costumes because we don't get a lot of member photos in their costumes. So I'm going to use them. So our spooky, scary bug hunt event, we had our second one last week. And that one was a UX hunt. And so the UX team came in and asked for members to go through some of the member experiences to see if there were things that were amiss. I think they got like over 400 tickets. It was nuts. So it was a really great event. 600, Daniela, come on. Oh my gosh, that's insane. So it was a really great event on Friday. Everybody had a good time. Like lots of new folks jumping in to check out the QA competition. So if you missed it, no worries, we have 2 more happening. So basically this Friday, we'll have another bug hunt event on Friday. It starts at around this time, top quarter time, 10:30, top quarter time on Friday. Wear a costume if you want. And we will release what the bug hunt is all about at that time, as well as we'll be on a Zoom call. We'll show you how to get into the repo and sign up, all the things you need to know. So if you've never done a bug hunt before, totally fine. The best thing about these competitions is they're open to everybody and you do not need any skills. All you need to know is find something there's something wrong with something. Click on something, it doesn't work. So you just have to figure out how to submit it and what you need to submit to make it a valid submission. So if you are interested in joining us, we'd love to see you. If you have other questions, let me know. Oh, I had the link up. I think I lost it by accident. I will share that link. Give me 1 second. But yes, it's a really, really fun event. Don't miss it, you guys. We did have some other great costume winners this past week. So there's one of our members. He was super creepy. I'll give him that. And then we had, there we go. We have a Harry Potter last week. That was a great costume. And we had a creepy guy, you dare. So members being super creative on their costumes. So again, if you don't have a costume, that's totally fine. It's not required, but it's a really good time. Here's the link to the next one. That's Friday. I'm going to put it in the chat for you guys. So please check it out. And if you have any questions, you can go in the challenge forums, or you can ask here. Any questions on the spooky, scary bug hunt event? Who was there last week? Did you guys have a good time? Anyone try it out for the first time? Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah, I think it was pretty fun.
Yeah. Did you enjoy the UX hunt portion of it better than the general bug one, or what do you think?
I'm honestly not sure if I'm even fully clear on the difference. I just tried to submit anything I found, but it was pretty fun. It's a really sort of intense situation because it's only like 1.5 hours and you get to be really as ruthless as you want to be with the website and find any flaws you want. It's great.
Yeah, that's fun. Ovipula, it was your second bug hunt. That's awesome. Did you do the first one too? Glad you find them out.
These are the only bug hunts and sort of QA competitions I've ever done at Top Coder. So it's been a learning experience as well.
Nice. Daniela's first one. Nice. And you did look pretty creepy yourself, Daniela, as well. So good stuff. All right. Any questions on the bug hunt happening this week? Any other clarifications needed? Okay. Yeah, you got to be fast because someone will report that before you. 90 minutes to go through and find however many bugs you can as fast as you can. All right. So moving on. Let's talk about our top gigs of the week. So for those of you newer, we do have freelance gig opportunities at Top Coder. So some of our customers come to us and they need a resource or 2 or 3 or whatever for a specific technology for a certain amount of time. And so we do share these opportunities with our members through freelance gig opportunities. And so I have a number of freelance gigs that I go through every week, the ones that are top of mind, the gigs of the week. So this week we have a software developer for Java. This is an India only gig. This is working India hours. This is the job description. You can read through the whole thing if you're interested, and then you can apply down here. If you are interested in this, please apply. You can also share the gig. Once you get into this page, you should be able to see a referral link, or you can share an email as long as you're logged in to Top Coder. And if you share the gig and someone gets the gig from your referral, you can earn $500. And just for sharing it to an actual person, you can earn $10. So super easy to share it and earn money. We have a React developer gig. This is for any location. And you are working UTC plus 2. This is any location for 26 weeks. So please share that one if you're interested. Again, we have the referral links, $500 if it's a successful referral. One note that if you do see required skills in the job description, please make sure they are also in your resume, whatever you're submitting, because you will be rejected from the gig if you do not show those skills. Becky's going to just put a big red cross on your application. So make sure you have those required skills there. Okay, guys? Next, we have a senior solution architect, microservices. So here's another gig for you. This one is any location, and that's a pretty nice compensation package if I do say so myself. So if you have these skills and you are located anywhere in the world and you are looking for a freelance gig, that's a 12-week long thing. Take you right up until Christmas probably. Check this out and share. Next, we have a data architect with business analyst skills. So please check that one out. This gig is any location, another 12-week long gig. So if you have these required skills, please add them to your resume and please share with anybody who you know in your, circle, your LinkedIn. Even just sharing these on LinkedIn could be great because you never know who might see that and apply. And if you're using your personal gig referral link, we can track it back to you. So make sure you logged in before you share the link, okay? And you'll get your own personal referral gig link. And next we have a CONFLUENT KAFKA developer. That's a mouthful. If you have these skills, please do share or apply any location. You can see all of the job details down here. This can be between 20 to 40 hours a week based on availability. So that's pretty cool. A little flexibility there. So this is a great opportunity for someone who still wants to do a lot of Top Coder competitions, or you already have a full-time job looking for some extra hours. So check that one out if you have those skills. That's the link I had earlier. That is in the wrong spot. Data architect with business analyst skills. I already talked about that one. Yep, we already talked about that one. And we have a data scientist role as well. This is USA only. Another really great gig opportunity here if you have these skills. And we also have the customer here is VivSoft. They are all open about sharing who they are. So if you are in the US and you have these skills, or you know a friend or colleague who is looking for a gig with these skills, please do share. And those are the gigs of the week. So as usual, you can always go to gigs, the gig listing, and you can see all of the gigs that we have available. There's lots of them. You're able to search for them, any skills you want to put in, you can search by location. So definitely check out all the different gigs. I'm only showing like 5 or 6, but there are a lot of them all the time. The same rules apply. Whatever you're applying for, make sure that those skills also match your resume, whatever you're handing in. So this one has all of these skills needed. So make sure that those are in there. Okay. And all of our gigs are eligible for referrals, whether you're sending out an email or you are giving somebody the role and they actually get it. You can earn money. Okay. And all of that is explained here under how it works. So you just check out their gigs, share it, and you can get paid. Okay. So any questions on our freelance gigs at this time? Any questions from anybody? All right. And then we have, let's see what else. We do have our gig team here. Corey and Becky and Nathan, and there's a bunch of us here that are working on gig opportunities and things like that. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to them at any time. Gigwork@topcoder.com is the best resource for you for any of those questions. There's a lot of times that members will be interested in the gig, but think they're not experienced enough or they don't have the right skill set. So if you're ever questioning that, please reach out. Or we also have instances where you don't see a gig that necessarily suits you that you're interested in. You can still just be put into our system so that you're there in case we are looking for someone with your skills, or we can help find something that is good fit for you. Okay. So gig work is a really great opportunity for you guys to have that full-time job experience, to gain experience and have that set income for X amount of time. And then when you're finished, if you want to do it again, or if you want to go back to doing some, challenges here and there and just have some more freedom, lots of options. Okay. And just as a reminder, if you are a Wipro employee, you are not eligible for gigs at this time, unfortunately. Okay. They're only available to non-Wipro employees. Okay. Any questions on gig work? Okay. We do have a gig work event coming up as part of Top Coder Open. So that is coming soon. We'll have more details in the newsletter next week. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully we'll give you a little teaser on this call next week. All right, calendar. Here's what's going on. Our Skill Builder of the Month is almost finished, I believe, and we always have Skill Builder competitions. I didn't specifically call those out today, but if you are newer, we do have this thing called Top Coder Skill Builder competitions. Basically, they are competitions where you can learn a technology or grow your skills or prove your skills. If you're on our challenge listings page, if you just put in Skill Builder in the search, you will see all the skill builders we have, lots of different technologies. So check those out. Coming up this week on Thursday, I thought it was. Maybe my calendar's incorrect. We have a AMA with CodeJam. Yes, that is on Thursday, not on Friday, Wednesday. My apologies. It's supposed to be the October 21st. CodeJam is a Top Coder member who is our reigning QA champion for Top Coder Open. So a really great opportunity to learn from him on how he is successful here at Top Coder. Really nice guy, CodeJam is from Sri Lanka. So please check out that AMA. On Friday, as I said, we do have the Spooky Scary Bug Hunt happening, number 3, as well as a hangout. So join the hangout beforehand at 9 o'clock. That event is really just joining a Zoom call like this and playing some games and meeting some folks and networking. So it's a lot of fun to just jump into those hangouts and just meet some folks and have some fun. And then next week, we do have a webinar with our partner, Aleph. So those are all the things happening coming up. So here is the link for the Hangout. So if you want to sign up for that, please do so. And then I believe that is most of the content I have for today, but I did want to share one additional things. I want to just set this article into your, I want you to know that we have this article. I can't even talk today. I'm sorry. This article, actually, Penna is here, who actually wrote this article for the most part. This article we created to kind of help you get a really quick understanding of what everything is at Top Coder. Our Top Coder challenges, our SRMs, RDMs, design challenges, all these different things. So I wanted to just make sure you guys saw this link, bookmark it. So if you have any question or concern ever when you're looking at our website, what things are, that will help you kind of understand. So a really great resource for you guys to take advantage of. Okay. Now, with that, I want to open it up for questions. If anyone has any questions or they'd like to see anything else. I see one question from Powen on how to submit for this competition. Let me see what this competition is. Okay. It's a skill builder. Very nice. It looks like this one is no longer open. Oh, it's a draft. That would be why. I will check on that for you. I know we do have a skill builder competition for this technology, so I will find the correct URL for you. But to what you need to do is click on the submit page. And to give you a good example, if you go to practice on our website right here, we have a really great video tutorial. It's down here. Yeah. So we have this really great video on this page here. I'll share the link. This video shows you start to finish how to submit to a top quarter challenge. Okay. It gives you all the information. So always feel free to use that as a resource. Okay. Before I stop sharing my screen, is there anything else I can show you guys on our website? Any other questions or concerns or things you'd like a little more detail on? Any other things from our team here that they would like to share or promote to our members today? Adam, do we have some UX challenges coming out next week? Is that happening next week still?
Yes. Yeah. So thank you. So as Thursday, this was supposed to happen last week, but it's going to happen this week. Thursday, we have a customer who is doing a workshop, and out of the workshop, there will be 5 sets of wireframes. And so we'll have 5 different design challenges launching Thursday night, Friday, possibly Saturday. So launching those 5 design challenges based on the workshop wireframe. So very excited about that. I will be attending the workshop on Thursday and working with the co-pilots to get those challenges launched after that workshop. So more information to come. But design work will be happening this weekend. And I do believe there is a RUX challenge also coming. I need to confirm on the date of that. But yeah, there is a RUX. And if you don't know what a RUX is, it's Rapid User Experience Challenge. And these are typically a 72-hour design challenge. And that is also being planned.
And if you look at that article I just shared, it explains exactly what a RUX is as well, if you want more details. Awesome. Yeah. So if you are here as a designer or a wannabe designer, it's a great opportunity to work on top quarter design challenges because we do this really awesome thing that not a lot of other platforms do called feedback. And so in the middle of the challenge, you submit your designs and the team will tell you how you're doing. They will give you feedback on your actual design, and then it will help guide you to your final submission. And then when the challenge is completed, we'll give you some more feedback based on how the designs are coming along and how the final designs are. So a great opportunity for newbies or for designers trying to break into this business to get some really great feedback on their designs. So if you're new to Top Quarter and looking to do design, please check out these challenges that will be coming up later this week.
Please do. And then we have an Aleph challenge running right now, an ideation challenge for some ideas. So please do also check that out. Penna, do you have any other suggestions on that one?
Yeah, just go and check it out. It's a great challenge for basically anyone from any background because it's an ideation challenge. So the broader your backgrounds are, that better. So check it out.
Yeah, it's running, I think, for another 10 days. So there's still time to jump in.
Yep, that's the great part about Top Quarter too, is we have a bunch of challenges that are open to anybody. You don't have to be technical to be able to give ideas or to do bug hunts and things like that. So it's a great opportunity to get started. And thanks for sharing the link to the challenge in there.
Oh, he already did. Is the pipeline, Robinson has a question about the pipeline. Is it still working? The pipeline is not working, not right now. The goal was to get that automated. And we are literally at like 98% ready for the thing to run. It's just some of the automation pieces are just not there yet. I know I was the pipeline project was was my project, and really wanted to make sure that was successful for all the community members, but we ran into some hurdles. The manual side of it was just it became too manual. Too many requests for too many people to help keep that thing going. So working to get it automated. The issue, and just to be clear, the issue we have right now is that like everything shows up. So like we could turn it on, but literally so there's a lot of noise. So the goal is with the pipeline is to make sure it's only things that are active and things that are ready for registration. So you can, or, understand what's coming up and make sure what's coming up that you can plan for, and that they launch on the days that they're supposed to launch. Right now, it's just like if I put a challenge into the pipeline that says Adam's challenge, it'll show up, even though it's like I didn't mean for it to go. So those kinds of things. The filtering isn't working. If that helps, Robinson.
And we do have a new product owner for member, all things on the member side. And I think this is a great project to talk to him about. So maybe we can, if you guys have some feedback on that or any thoughts on how important the pipeline is to you, that is important. Because if I went to somebody at Top Quarter and said, hey, I think the members want this, it'd be a lot better if I had a lot of you telling me, this is something I really want and need, right? And that's kind of how we did it in the first place, right, Adam?
Yep.
We heard from a lot of you guys that, hey, we really need this. And so we tried to do it on our own. We tried to figure it out. But I think there's definitely a place for doing this in an official capacity. So definitely keep sharing your feedback with us and these comments so that we can go to the greater team and have that data behind us. Okay. Any other questions or thoughts from anybody? Open floor. Quiet group today. Okay. Well, I'm not going to keep you any longer than I need to. I will put my email in here. Please feel free to email me at any time if you have any questions that come up. I really hope to see you all on Friday at our spooky, scary bug hunt. We'll have some more tunes to play and we'll have some costumes to wear. It is a BYOC event, so you do have to bring your own candy because I will not be able to ship you candy. So bring your candy. Bring your fast fingers to find some bugs. Wear your costume if you want. Yeah, well, and we also have Top Quarter prize packs, guys, for costume winners. I just got about, I don't know, 70 boxes delivered to my house last week full of Top Quarter stuff. So, lots of great Top Quarter swag I have to hand out now. I have to get rid of it because it's taking up my old garage. So if you guys want anything, let me know. Wear your costume. All right. Thank you guys for joining. Have a great rest of your week, and we will see you again soon. Thanks, guys.